In 90 days, you'll either have $3,000 saved, know exactly where every dollar goes, and sleep without money stress, or you'll still be here, wondering why your paycheck disappears every month. Your choice. Here's the plan. Most people fail at money because they're missing 5 numbers. Not $5,000. 5 numbers. And once you know them, everything clicks. I'm going to show you exactly what they are, how to find them in 10 minutes, and how to automate your money so you never stress again. This isn't about cutting coffee or meal prepping every Sunday. This is about architecture. We're building a system that runs itself. Week by week. Let's go. Week 1, find your burn rate. Not what you think you spend. What you actually spend. Here's how: open your bank account and every credit card. Add up your last 3 months of spending. All of it. Then divide by 3. Whatever number you guessed. Add $1,500. That's closer to reality. When I do this with people, they're always shocked. They thought $3,000. It's actually $4,500. This number is your baseline. Everything else we do starts here. Write it down. If you don't like what you see, good. That means you're paying attention. Week 2, face your debt. All of it. List every single thing you owe. Credit cards, student loans, car payments, that store card you opened for 10% off. Write down the balance, interest rate, and minimum payment. Now use a debt calculator. If you only pay minimums on $5,000 at 24% interest, you'll be paying for 23 years. That $5,000 becomes $13,000. But here's the hack: add just $100 extra per month to your highest interest debt, and you cut that timeline by 15 years. That's not motivation. That's math. Pay yourself first. Week 3 is where most people mess up. They try to save what's left over at the end of the month. There's never anything left over. So we're flipping the script. The second your paycheck hits, money automatically flows to 3 places. 50% to bills and essentials. 20% to savings and investments. 30% to guilt-free spending. Open a high-yield savings account earning 4% or more. Set up an automatic transfer for the day after payday. Start with $50 if that's all you can do. The amount doesn't matter. The automation does. Your brain can't spend money it never sees. That's the whole game. Week 4 and 5, get to $1,000 in savings. This is your emergency shield. 59% of Americans can't afford a $1,000 emergency. That means they put it on credit cards, pay interest, and fall deeper into debt. Your $1,000 breaks that cycle. And here's how to get there fast. 1. Sell stuff you don't use, $200. 2. Cancel subscriptions you forgot about, $50 per month. 3. Redirect your spending cuts from week 2, $100 per month. Once you hit $1,000, your next goal is 3 to 6 months of expenses. But first, we need to talk about the big 3. 95% of your money stress comes from 3 categories: housing, transportation, and food. Fix these, and everything else is easy. First, housing. If you're spending more than 28% of your gross income on rent or mortgage, you're in the red zone. Take your monthly housing cost, divide by your gross monthly income, multiply by 100. If it's above 28%, that's why you're stressed. That's why you fight about money. That's why you can't save. Second, transportation. That $750 car payment and $200 insurance? Call 3 other insurance providers this week. You'll save $50 to $100 per month. That's $600 to $1,200 per year for a 30-minute phone call. Third, food. Stop obsessing over $7 coffees. If you're spending $800 on eating out but only $300 on groceries, flip that ratio. Cook 3 extra meals per week. Save $400 per month. Week 8 and 9, start investing. Not someday. Now. Investing $200 per month from age 25 to 35, then stopping equals $300,000 at 65. Investing $200 per month from 35 to 65 equals $250,000. Starting early wins even if you invest less. Here's your simple system: open a Roth IRA at Vanguard, Fidelity, or Schwab. Invest in a target date fund or S&P 500 index. Set up automatic monthly transfers of at least 10% of your income. That's it. No stock picking. No watching CNBC. No crypto gambling. Just consistent, boring investing in index funds that historically return 8 to 10% per year. If your employer offers a 401k match, max that out first. It's literally free money. Week 10 and 11, calculate your crossover point. This is the number that changes everything. Your crossover point is when your investments generate enough passive income to cover your expenses. You don't need to work anymore. You can, but you don't need to. Here's the math: take your annual expenses and multiply by 25. That's your crossover number using the 4% rule. Need $4,000 per month to live? You need $1.2 million invested. Sounds impossible? Watch this. Scenario A: make $80,000, spend $6,000 per month, invest 10% equals 42 years to freedom. Scenario B: make $80,000, cut expenses to $4,000 per month, invest 30% equals 15 years to freedom. Scenario C: increase income to $100,000, keep expenses at $4,000, invest 40% equals 11 years to freedom. You control both sides of the equation. Earn more, spend less, or both. Final week, build your dashboard. Track these 5 numbers monthly. 1. Burn rate, what you spend. 2. Debt balance, what you owe. 3. Savings rate, what you keep. 4. Net worth, assets minus debts. 5. Crossover progress, how close to freedom. Every month, spend 15 minutes updating these numbers. That's it. You'll see patterns. You'll catch leaks. You'll watch your net worth grow. Set a quarterly review. Every 3 months, zoom out and see the big picture. Are you on track? What needs adjusting? So here we are. 90 days from now, you'll be in one of 2 places. So here we are. 90 days from now, you'll be in one of 2 places. Or you'll still be checking your bank account every day, wondering where your money went, and feeling behind. The difference isn't luck. It's not salary. It's a system. And you just learned it. Don't just watch this. Do one thing right now. Calculate your burn rate. Set up one automatic transfer. Something. Because information without action is just entertainment. Your 90 days starts now. Let's go.